how to create 2 YouTube channel in 1 Gmail account. So if you want to create 2 YouTube channels in 1 Gmail account, then what you need to do is you need to first open up your browser. From your browser, you need to search for youtube.com. And now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots, go with the desktop side. Now under the desktop side, you need to go with the profile, which will be on the top right. Once you tap on the profile, you'll have your channel option. Tap on view your channel, and from here you need to tap on customize channel or manage your channel option. After that, on the bottom left, you will have the gear shaped icon. Tap on the gear shaped icon. It will take it to your settings. Now from the settings, you need to tap on the channel section. Once you go with channel, here on the right side, you need to go with advanced settings. Under advanced settings, if you scroll down, then you will find an option of manage your YouTube account. So you need to tap on manage your YouTube account. Once you tap on manage, here you will have change status and features, add or manage your channels, or view advanced settings. You need to tap on add or manage your channels. From here, you'll be able to add 2 channels in 1 YouTube account or 1 Gmail account. So here, as you can see, that I only have 1 channel. So you just need to simply go with create a channel if you want to create a new channel, or you can add a new channel. So tap on create a channel, and you'll be able to create another channel from the same Google account. So enter your details, credentials, and then you need to go with create channel, and your channel will be created. That's how you can create 2 YouTube channels in 1 Gmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.